In this video, we're going to look at iOS devices. Here are a few technical considerations that are specific to recording video on an iPhone. We ask that you record with the phone in landscape, so wider, not taller, and this is going to present your video better in players like YouTube. Find a good stand or a way to mount or hold your phone for you. So in my case, I have a selfie stick. I've just put that into a clamp, like a hardware clamp, and that allows me to move the phone around to different locations, put it on any desk. It also allows me, because it's a selfie stick, I can adjust the height of the camera and I can adjust the angle of the camera. So that's a lot of nice functionality that we have built into, what's essentially a little cheap selfie stick. You also have some additional settings that are available to you in the settings panel of your phone, and it's worth taking a look at those. You're going to go under the settings panel, then down to camera. I like to turn the grid on. This is going to assist us with framing, and you can find more about that under our environmental setup video. You're going to set your video resolution to be 1080p at 30 frames per second, that's standard HD. And under format, we are going to choose most compatible. These files are slightly larger, but they are going to make it easier for us to share and edit these videos down the road. Please take a moment to visit the WPU IRT YouTube channel. Under the playlist section, you will find additional home video tips to guide you through the process of uploading things to OneDrive, as well as setting up your environment for a more successful recording. So now that we have configured our phones to record, and we have an environment that we like, and we have actually recorded something, now let's look at how do we get in to actually clean this up and do some basic editing within the phone. This is accessed via the Photos application on your phone. We scroll down to videos, and you will see that your most recent video is at the bottom. In the top right, there is an edit tab. Click on that. The most directly helpful tool for our purposes is going to be the trim tool that opens by default. This lets you trim the head and tail off your clip, leaving you with only the material that you want to preserve. Across the bottom are tabs of a sort for different image adjustments. As a general rule, we recommend that you not try to make any of these adjustments yourself using these tools. If you find that you have a video that's terribly under or overexposed, or it looks so bad that you need a lot of these fixes, the truth is you should probably modify your setup using the recommendations in our other videos and then re-record yourself. One possible exception to this might be the far right crop tool, which you can use to crop out unwanted background. If you decide to use this tool, you should first click the aspect ratio tab in the upper right-hand corner, and then select original on the bottom option. This will preserve the 16:9 ratio of your original video so that your edited clip will still fill the entire frame. And after cropping your video, it will be re-rendered and saved out again. At this point, I would ask that you review our video on sharing your files with OneDrive, as the university provides this cloud storage free of charge for transferring large files. Please reach out to IRT for any questions or assistance you need with video production, and thank you for your time.